Good morning. Today I want to share my knowledge with others. Let me tell you the important points about the liver, which is the heaviest organ in human beings. Okay, the liver is the heaviest organ and it weighing around 1.5 kg or 3 pounds. It has 500 vital functions. Liver contains right and left lobe, which consist of lobules. You can find thousands of lobules in the liver. In this video, I am going to focus on the main functions of the liver. The liver plays an important role in filtering the blood. Liver consists of 13% of blood volume. Well oxygenated blood from heart flows towards the aorta to the left and right hepatic arteries. Blood takes return trip from the liver to the heart to the inferior vena cava through the hepatic vein. Blood also enters the liver through portal vein. This blood comes from the gastrointestinal tract and contains toxins such as alcohol and drugs. The liver detoxifies the blood leaving from the hepatic vein is free of toxins. However, your liver filters out more than just toxins from your blood. Next, the red blood cells begin their life cycle in the bone marrow. As we all know, they live around 120 days till they undergo hemolysis in the liver. Hemolysis across Kupffer cells, which are macro cells present in the liver. These are the Kupffer cells which are residing in the liver. Kupffer cells also a part of immune system. Kupffer cells make up 80 to 90% of body tissues, resident macrophages, and activated when sense bacteria or bacterial endotoxins. Upon activation, it releases cytokines and reactive oxygen species and nitric oxide, etc. all define the body. Not only these functions, liver plays a major role in digestion also. It helps digest fat by synthesizing bile, helps in absorbs vitamins and minerals. A small round ball-like structure which is present in the liver under the liver, it is a pear-shaped organ is called as a gallbladder, and it sits under the liver. It is a bile reservoir. Hepatocytes or liver lobules produce bile. A small duct connects liver lobules, and these lobules all together leading to formation of hepatic duct. The hepatic duct transports the bile to the gallbladder, which stores bile and passes to the duodenum, and which is the U-shaped part of the small intestine, and it closes to the stomach. This gallbladder, before a meal, it is full. After a meal, it is much emptier. The bile released helps digest and absorb fats and fat soluble vitamins. And the next important point is liver also maintain friendship with pancreas, maintaining healthy blood. Glucose is important in our body running. Here, see what happens when the glucose is in low concentration or low percentage in our body. It is called as a hypoglycemia. The symptoms are weakness, shaking, confusion, fainting, seizures, and death also.